Hello everyone, and today we are looking at these versatile Really Good Stuff plastic storage baskets. This set includes 6 lovely boho colors like smoke blue, mint green, and warm clay tones. Each bin features comfortable reinforced handles and smooth edges that are safe for kids of all ages. You can easily stack these baskets vertically to maximize your storage space in small areas. The spacious interior is ideal for organizing school books, art supplies, and even kitchen cabinet items. These durable mesh containers are simple to clean and will help you stay organized every single day. Transform your classroom or home with these stylish and functional tools for a clutter-free life. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.